Hello! Today we're going to work with a brass heat set insert for plastics. Here we have a piece of plastic. This is expanded PVC. And what we're going to do is drill a hole to put the insert into. Give this a little hole. Then we have this insert. So this was a 5/32 drill bit. This is to insert a 440 internal thread, 0.219 length brass heat set insert. So this is kind of hard to see, but the edges of the insert are actually a little bit knurled. What we're going to do is we're going to insert this into the plastic. We're going to heat it up. After it heats up, the plastic will melt. We'll push this down, and when the plastic cools, it will actually form a bond around the insert. So I have a soldering iron. You can use almost any soldering iron that the tip will fit in. This happens to be a special tip because I like to have special tools. So basically you heat the iron up, insert it into the insert, push down. Do not breathe that, that's nasty. In fact, you should have a fan going on. I'm in a well ventilated area. And let's see, let's get a standoff. So when the plastic's still warm, you can move the insert around, but in this case I think we're pretty much plumb. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You can use the standoff as a little bit of a lever to make sure that it's straight up and down. This is kind of what it looks like after you can mount it flush against this surface. The other thing is, of course, you don't have to drill a hole all the way through your material. If you put a stop on your drill or you're using a drill press, you don't have to go all the way through the actual material.